Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have seen the how bank deals with the partnership firm, and today I will discuss how company deals with the bank. Beta, company is a legal entity. The formation of a company is governed by the Companies Act 2013. While opening an account in a company's name, the banker has to ask for पहला certified copies of memorandum and articles of association and certificate of incorporation. Now dear students, you must have understood the meaning of memorandum and article of association in the business studies. तो मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ आइडिया दे दूं. मेमोरेंडम का मतलब होता है कि आउटर रिलेशनशिप, और आर्टिकल का मतलब होता है कंपनी के बीच का इंटरनल रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. तो सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज ऑफ मेमोरेंडम एंड आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन एंड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन हैज टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड टू द बैंक while opening the account. Now students, the second point, name of directors with their address. And now it has been become mandatory for every director to give in writing. That means consent to act as a director must be obtained under section 264 of the Companies Act. Certificate of commencement of business. अब बेटा दो वर्ड्स मैंने बोला, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस. तो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन केस ऑफ प्राइवेट कंपनी एंड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस इज रिक्वायर्ड इन केस ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी. थर्ड बेटा, कॉपी ऑफ रेजोल्यूशन अपॉइंटिंग द बैंक एज कंपनीज बैंक, यानी कंपनी के रेजोल्यूशन में ये बताना पड़ेगा कि हमारा किस बैंक में अकाउंट खोलना है. एंड द नेम्स ऑफ द पर्सन्स who are authorized to operate the account along with their signatures. Next point beta, death of authorized signatories doesn't require the stopping of the payment since the company remains in existence. Hence, provisions should be made in case of death of the authorized signatories. And last beta, bank should ensure that company's account is opened after proper KYC documents are obtained and should follow operations of the accounts as per the authorized signatory list provided along with the drawing powers of each person. So this all has to be kept in mind by the bank while dealing with the company.